NBA prop picks for Wednesday, April 24th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. As you could tell, the voice is not all the way back yet, but we did break the losing streak. Had two winners yesterday. PJ Washington, slow first half, explodes in the second, and Chris Middleton was quiet all day in terms of blocks plus steals. So we cashed that ticket. Do me a favor, hit the like button if you got any piece of that, or if you're going to tail today. Let's do the intro and let's find two more winners for the NBA playoffs. All right, here we go. This is the DFS Army Proptimizer. It compares prize pick lines, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. If you want access or promo codes, links down below to hook you up. Play number one, it's Derek White, less than 1.5 turnovers. Lined at minus 140 over on PointsBet, 140 on BetMGM, minus 137 at Caesars. Solid odds value. Projection model, 1.3, looking good there. And he's been under in 6 of the last 10 games. That's how easy this tool can make it. Just check all the boxes, odds, projection, form, check. And we'll head on over to Prizepicks. And we'll make a play at number one. As soon as I sort through all of the Derek White props, there he is. Never know if Derek White's going to show up with the picture with the full head of hair, bald look he's got going. But we find him. Let's see right here on the Proptimizer, full head of hair. So that is play number one. I got a pair for you, and then we're going to do some sneak peeks at MLB and NHL while both sports are going, or all sports are going on right now. 3 of the big 4, no football, obviously. Play number 2, it looks like Herbert Jones, more than 2.5 assists. Excuse me. This is where having all the sports books can come in handy. It's minus 125 at DraftKings, minus 140 over at BetMGM. The tool averages everything together, and we get a minus 133 line. Then you look at the projection model. It also likes the over at 2.77. He's been over 3 of the last 5 games and 6 of the last 10. I'm just curious. And it looks like if you go further back, it's 10 of the last 15 as well. So again, odds, form, projection, we check all the boxes, and we head over to Prizepicks. I was thinking about dropping a 6-pick video today, but aside from the voice, the board was a little bit thin. No reason to force things. We'll have more plays for the members at DFS Army later today. Before the recap, let's go take a sneak peek at some of these NHL and MLB plays. It looks like the top NHL play on the board right now is going to be, this is tomorrow, so we'll skip it. Not a ton out there. Morgan Riley, less than 0.5 assists. Board's a little thin. We'll probably pass everything NHL right now. More will be added later. The NHL board and Prizepicks is always a little bit delayed anyway. And it looks like the MLB board. I hate some of these, the push props. I've been trying to avoid them. Quick scan. Looks like Alec Marsh, less than 4.5 strikeouts would be the preferred play here with good odds and a good projection for mediocre, but that would be the top play as of right now. Again, typically I like to wait a little bit longer on MLB. But let's go recap the 2 NBA plays we ran through and get you guys out of here. If you didn't already, hit the like button, and let's play Derek White, less than 1.5 turnovers, and Herbert Jones, more than 2.5 assists. Lock that in. Got our play. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Bing, bang, boom. No need to drag it out. 2 plays. Let's try and go back to back. And here's your daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I will see you next time.